established with the purpose of providing public education. Now what kind of public education? Obviously अगर इंस्टीट्यूट फिल्म और टेलीविज़न के बारे में है तो एजुकेशन भी इन द फील्ड ऑफ फिल्म्स ही प्रोवाइड करेगा, राइट? एजुकेशन इन द फील्ड्स ऑफ फिल्म डायरेक्शन, acting, editing, cinematography, etc. All these courses are available and people can study these courses by going and getting admitted to the Film and Television Institute of India. Now I would like to tell you about the important alumni. Alumni in the sense are the ex-students, like the students who have passed out of FTII, and they are very well known to you children. David Dhawan, important alumni of FTII. Jaya Bachchan, everybody knows her. Naseeruddin Shah. Then the most favorite of the young generation, Rajkumar Rao. These very notable, very important actors of the industry, director also I would like to say David Dhawan. So all these people are a product of the Film and Television Institute of India. So you can imagine the quality of education in the field of film and cinematography that is provided in the FTII. Then this institute has also come up with various documentaries on historical events, important leaders, etc. Documentaries are children, they are a kind of films, not films, they are not exactly movies, but they are a kind of films where interviews of important personalities are taken. It is not a picturization of a film, alright? Documentary is a kind of thing which is like a film but not exactly a film. In the documentaries you get all the information on a particular topic. Then the important people who are related to the topic, their interviews are also there. Then important documents regarding that particular topic are also shown in the documentaries. So I would like to say that documentaries are children a very rich source of information available. Alright, if you want to know exactly what a documentary is, I would like to tell you the name of a documentary. Please go and watch children a very important and a very classic documentary. The name is He Named Me Malala. I repeat, the name of the documentary is He Named Me Malala. The documentary is about Malala Yousafzai, the recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize of 2014. Alright, the story of a girl who fought for education in a remote place like Afghanistan and was shot by the Taliban extremist people. So children, a very important and a very inspiring documentary. Once you will go and see this documentary, you will understand what a documentary is like. Alright, then next coming to, there is another institute children, which is the Indian News Review Institute. Now what is this institute doing? It is producing newsreels on events in politics, arts, culture, social issues, etc. So this Indian News Review Institute, it is producing newsreels on important events. Alright, now what is this newsreels? Newsreels are also documentaries but short documentaries. Alright, don't get confused children. Newsreels are also documentaries but short documentaries. Very clear? Only important things are covered in the newsreels. Alright, it is a kind of movie which is interesting for the people to watch and to hear and to get the information. Alright, so children, that was all for this video, and the topic or the chapter, I would like to say, sources of history, has been completed over here. In the next video we will begin with the first chapter of civics. Alright, now please come to the revision questions. I will tell you some revision questions. Kindly note it down, go through your textbook, find the answers, write the answers, and then later on when I will provide you with the PDF of this, please get your answers upgraded, corrected. Alright, so the first question of today's lecture, please write and take children. Give some examples of material sources. Give some examples of material sources. Next question. Which institution prints currency notes in India? Which institution prints currency notes in India? Third question, where is the headquarters of the RBI? Where is the headquarters of the RBI? Next, what is the significance of museums? What is the significance of museums? Next question, give some examples of oral sources. Give some examples of oral sources. Next question, name two activists from Sanyukta Maharashtra movement who are famous for their povadas. Name two activists from the Sanyukta Maharashtra movement who are famous for their povadas. Next question, give some examples of audio-visual sources. Give some examples of audio-visual sources. Next, when, where and with what purpose was the Film and Television Institute of India started? I repeat, when, where and with what purpose was the Film and Television Institute of India started? And last question, children, name an institute that has produced important newsreels on events in politics, social issues, arts, sports and culture. I repeat, name an institute that has produced important newsreels on events in politics, social issues, arts, sports and culture. Alright children, that's it for this video. Have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.